Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to disable robotic prism tracking when you're staking. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to say, I want the robot to point at this point. You can walk in line of your robot and get on point that way. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner. That's going to open up my main menu, and within my main menu here I'm going to select settings and then options, and I can also access this staking options from my staking screen. You just hit the wrench and screwdriver that are in the bottom left corner of your screen, but you can also access it through this options menu. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here, and you're going to see there is a checkbox for robotic prism tracking. If it is checked, it will follow me and give me directions that way. If it is unchecked, you can tell the robot, I want you to point at point X, Y, or Z. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you enable or disable robotic prism tracking while you are staking. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel or just in the surveying space in general, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.